So we will be testing our Torqeedo Ultralight Adventure today. This is the setup. It's fairly basic today. I didn't even took my peddler or anything. I'll be recording with this camera. There's a throttle there. So we'll see how it performs, what's the stop speed, and how it works on this kayak. Honestly, I tested it the other day, not properly, but I did test it and it wasn't actually too bad. I was getting around 11 kilometers per hour on a full throttle, and it was working really nice. It's really smooth, it's extremely silent, what I like about it, and it's actually not too heavy as I was thinking it will be for this kayak. So fingers crossed everything works out well. Woo!
I tested the Torqeedo Ultralight Travel Adventure package, a powerful 1100 watts, 3 horsepower equivalent direct drive motor designed for kayaks. It's mounted on my Perception kayak, and I tested it both on a local river and on the sea. The top speed reached around 12 kilometers per hour, which is about T.5 miles per hour. The motor is fast, responsive, and ultra quiet, transforming your kayak into the ultimate fishing machine. The high-capacity 1080 WH lithium-ion battery ensures you have enough power for long trips, and the fast 180W charger quickly replenishes the battery. The throttle screen is clear in both low and high light conditions, even when wet, though steering becomes a bit challenging at speeds over 9 kilometers per hour. The weight of the motor and mounting system, including cables and remote throttle, is just 9.8 kilograms, or 21.6 pounds, making it portable and easy to manage, although the thick cables are somewhat difficult to handle on the kayak. These cables are thicker than those of the Torqeedo 403 model. I observed speeds ranging from 9.5 to 12 kilometers per hour, or 5.9 to 7.5 miles per hour, with speeds dropping to as low as 9.5 kilometers per hour against currents and wind. Overall, it's a pleasure to use, and I highly recommend it to anyone looking to enhance their kayak fishing experience.